Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video I will show you beautiful wall hanging ideas. So I hope you are enjoy my videos. So friends, let's start today videos. So viewers, my first idea is, friends, viewers, so viewers, wall hanging are a wonderful way to decorate empty walls. They bring color, texture and creativity into your living space. The best part is that many of these ideas can be made using simple materials many already have at home. A popular choices are macrame wall hanging. The soft knots and beauty pattern create a warm and cozy feeling. It looks perfect in a bedroom, living room, or even a reading corner. And friends, my next idea is weavers. Wooden wall art is another beautiful option. You can paint wooden pieces in Spanish wooden sheet geometric design. Nature would give every room a modern and elegant look. And friend, if you love flower, try making a flower wall hanging. Use artificial flower, dry flower or green leaves to create a fresh and colorful decoration that uses our ears and weavers. My next idea is, friends, friends, fabric wall hanging are also easy to make. Choose colorful fabric and tasteless or lace. Create a unique design that matches your home style. You can also recycle or material, cardboard, embroidery, jute rope or wooden stick into beautiful wall decoration. This friendly craft save money and help reduce waste. So I hope viewers you are enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates, viewers. So friends, Allah Hafiz. See you.